Well, we've arrived. We're here at the Gamboa Rainforest Resort. This is overlooking our balcony, looking at the pool, out at the lake, and then the canal is back behind there. We're at Gamboa Resort. We're on our 9:15 walking tour of the rainforest. Our guide says this is a fig tree. He said that glob is termites. You can eat them if you get hungry. This is the Angelina Jolie hot lips. This is the Panamanian royal palm. Here's another royal palm. The ants are carrying leaves into the nest, and then fungus sends it, and that's what they eat. They eat the fungus.
And what's the name of the tree?
It's a wild fig tree.
It's a fig tree. We call this busy as ants. He said this is the hand of God because you brew it and you take it for diarrhea. They use this tree to remove their hair. You can see the bark. And that was our walking tour of the rainforest. We're down at the lake. It's a beautiful pool. We're on the aerial tram.
Why not
There's termites on that tree too.
You don't see that.
This is the chagres, which is crocodile.
Climb the trees, slob,
It's a Tarzan vine for the monkeys. These are the termite trails. They're sensitive to the sun, so they do a little tunnel like the subway. And I think we're going to climb clear up there. The toucan right above that palm. Oh, he flew over. There's a toucan, the same one, right on that red thing. Here's a 180 from the top of the tower. This is the ant's nest. We're on our boat tour now. Allie is our host.
This is not the biggest river in Panama, but it's one of the most important because provide around the 40% of the
I don't know if we're going over to the lake. I think that's a mahogany tree. It had big old nuts on it. I don't know what kind of birds these are. They've got the red beaks. They say there's monkeys up here.
It's crawling that way. Can't see it too.
There's two monkeys up in there. I'll probably have to zoom. They're howler monkeys. They go in groups. It's a two-toed sloth because of the color.
you know that. Termites.
There's a...
That's termites.
That black thing?
Yeah, the black thing, that's termites.
We thought that was a monkey. It's termites. It's an iguana crawling up on the soil. There he goes. Oh well, so much for that. It's another monkey up there. We're headed back. You get to see all sizes of boats. Oh yeah, we're just gonna ride the rolling waves. So I don't know if they drag this or what they do. Some lifts. There's another boat over there. There's people that live up here. It says Panama Canal Authority. Everything's prohibited: swimming, diving, water skiing, fishing, surfing, and jet skiing. Back to the Gamboa Marina. Thank you to our hosts. Ken wanted me to get some berries, so there's one. Here's the front of the resort. So the history is this used to be a golf course, I guess, when they were, a country club when they were building the canal, probably for the officers. We're back outside enjoying some cerveza by the swimming pool. What is it? Oh, what is it? It's a what? Oh, it's a rodent. This is a turtle. We're getting ready to check out. This is down in the lobby. And I just wanted to say adios, Gamboa.